We got a 2021 Ram. What we got done on it, factory converters there and there. And then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 44 series on it, right there. Cut out the old muffler, placed it with this. Part number on the 44 is a 943048. 3-inch in, 3-inch out offset. Back out into the factory style tips. Factory resonators on it, there and there. Looks like we didn't do anything to it. There you guys go. Let you guys hear in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. Sound decibels? 93, what it peaked at. 94.5 that time. Alright, go ahead and back it out. That's the old muffler we put on. Grab this shit. It's not bad. We'll let you guys hear it on the
Exhaust Addicts. I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Ram 1521, FLOWMASTER 44, stock resonator, stock tips. Yeah! Beast mode! Enjoy guys.